Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trade with the Magic Candles. Today is Sunday, when last week is over. I hope everybody is doing good. Today the video is going to be very exciting as because my colleague, my partner, my friend is with me. Me and my partner Mr. Ramanuj is going to explore the F&O segment in Sensible. So the video is going to be very exciting, guys. So let's start this session. Hello Mr. Ramanuj, how are you?
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay. Shall we start the session?
Yes.
Okay. I'm switching over to Mr. Ramanuj. He will explain about the sensible, how the F&O trades are to be taken, or how it is analyzed. So I'm switching over.
Good evening, friends. So today we are going to analyze the strategies. Whatever we have the view on our market. So how to analyze in sensible, and it is nowadays it is becoming very important to analyze our trades to know what is the maximum loss and maximum profit. So for example, now if we see the chart of the Nifty, and if our view is bullish, this is not any recommendation, it is just how to analyze our view. I think it may go up. So how I can strategize my strategy to know what is my maximum profit and maximum loss. So we'll go back to the sensible. So sensible, whenever you log in with the Zerodha, it is free of cost, and all the brokerage it may cost you. So we are we have the account with Zerodha. So we are logging with the Zerodha, and it is free of cost, and it will be in other Opsta and all. You have only two. You can build only 2 paper trades, but here you can build n number of paper trade to know how your strategies work, so that it will give you confidence in the future, and you may trade much better with the very minimum loss, so that you will be successful in the future. So now we will go back to the strategy, how we may build our strategy by using Sensible. So here we have the option of build a new trade. First we have to go into the trade strategy builder. So build a new custom trade, click on it. So we get here the option check. Here is the expiry date 12, 19, 16 of the Nifty. We can choose whatever expiry date we are comfortable. So I am going to choose a 5th of the December, and spot is at 24,100. Now if my view is bullish, so what I will do, 24,100 I will buy at the money call 24,100. Yeah, 24,100, and I will sell one call option of 24,500 to minimize my loss. So this is the debit spread, friends. As you know all, my maximum profit is 5,800, maximum loss is 4,100. My break even is at 24,268. That is, it has to move at least 0.6% at the time of the expiry. So there should not be for no profit and loss. That is my break even. Now how much is the funds required? It requires 17,286, and my probability of profit is 41%. So here you have the summary. This is the summary, and if you think that no, I have to edit some strike price, you can go here, add or edit, then just remove this and add the strike price you want to add, then add it, done. And now you can see here my profit is 3,900, loss is at 3,500, my break even is at 0.5%. So whenever you build, whenever you make the view on the market and you want to safely trade in the market in options, so sensible, in this way you can strategize your view, and you can have the your probability of profit may also increase, because it gives the clear view what's going to happen with your strategy. Now I want to save this strategy, so add to draft, create new. You can give a name here, Nifty. 1 minute. Nifty debit spread. So here 1 debit spread, NDS. So create, confirm, build, loading. Now this strategy has been saved. Again, if we go on to if we want to see this strategy, whenever we exit the sensible and next time I want to know what is my profit and loss in this strategy, go to the draft portfolio. Here you can see Nifty DS, just click on it, open in builder, whenever you do it, it will open your strategy and you can observe whether it is in profit or loss. So in this way you can create any strategy by using sensibull. You can have n number of strategy and you can paper trade, so that your view or your whatever technicals you have learned, is it possible to make profit or no, you can observe in your sensibull. Whenever you are new to the market, you can have some paper trade to make sure that in future you can trade it very comfortably. Now going to the, now this is regarding the options. Now if I want to trade in the future, if someone is interested to trade in the future, you can see here Nifty. I will select Nifty, build a new custom strategy, and here we have the future option. So here it will show the number of days when it is going to expire: 25 days, 60 days, 88 days. So I will buy this. And now, because as in a last video also we have discussed, we don't have any naked positions buy or sell, so we always hedge our positions. Hedging is very important to save our portfolio. Now you can see here my max loss is 13,000 rupees, and if Nifty moves in my direction, we have the profit of unlimited profit. Now if you see the chart and my stop loss is below this, if you say that no, I will have the stop loss. If my stop loss is below 23,250, what will be the loss on the T plus 0? That means the day the Nifty will come to at that level, we will change it to 200 points. Now we will see my stop loss is at below this swing low 23,250. You can see here, if Nifty comes at 23,200 somewhere, my loss is 9,000. 23,200 is 10,500. Sorry, I saw it at 23,000. So 23,200 is 10,800. So here you can know that is it acceptable? Shall I take this much of loss or not? So while building the strategy, this will clear all your doubt, and if you are having the proper view, then it will be very easy to trade and to know your what you call as a health of your portfolio, this your demat account. Without a view, without having the strategy build up properly usage, you may lose a lot of money, and you may not be knowing where to take the stop loss. So this will mentally prepare you that if the stop loss happen, my loss is 10,007. If this stop loss is not acceptable, then we will skip the trade. We will trade whenever our stop loss is very less. So in this way, the sensibull will help us to strategize our what you say is the view regarding the market. And one more feature, friends, in this sensibull is Nifty. We know it is 25, and now in future it is going to happen 75. So but now there are a lot of other stocks which are going to be in future and options. Now newly introduced is Geo Finance. So Geo Finance, you can see, friends, here we have the option information regarding the lot size. So now lot size of Geo Finance is 1650. So 1650 into 300, the lot size is around 5 lakhs. Now if we see another one, Polycap, and we go into the information, here it shows it is having the lot size of 125 and price is at 7,297. So the lot size is around 9 lakhs. So this will give the correct information whether to trade. Is it possible to trade me of 9 lakhs rupees lot, or 6 lakhs rupees lot, 5 lakh rupees lot? So knowing the lot size and then taking the trade, again it will be very useful to avoid the big losses. And this is the one more feature of the sensibull. Now the thing is, if you have to trade, you have taken any trade, what happens is on live market there will be some other price, and when we are having some taking the trade, it will be having some other price, but while putting it into the sensibull, we will be having some other price. So we have the edit button. Now again I will go to the draft portfolio. We have saved here Nifty DS. What we will do, we go to the opening builder, and here we have the modify option. So just modify the rate on which. So while adding in sensibull it was 208, but when I executed my trade, if it was 215 rupees, so just update it to 215, done. So this will show you the proper PNL whenever you will open the sensibull to see what is my profit and loss according to it. So these are the features of the sensibull. This is a very basic feature whatever we have discussed today, and it is very important. And whenever you have any this view on the market, you just paper trade, see whether your view works or doesn't work, or is there any possibility to update your view or technical understanding. This will make you much better trader, and will try to make what you say is the better trader in future. So thank you. This is all about the sensibull.
So thank you, Mr. Ramanush. Let's going back to the indices chart. As we discussed in the earlier videos, so I took the position here as because it has done the retest here, and I took the positions at this time, and you can watch the trades what I executed in last video. Of course I can show you in here. So I have added in my draft portfolio. See, this is the profit I am having. When you open in the builder, these are all the. So this is the maximum profit, and this is the maximum loss, and this is the break even. These are all my positions. This is the potential. Then maximum profit and maximum loss is here. This is 49%, this is 30%. So this loss I can bear it, 28,000. Presently it is potential of 33, and probability of this profit is 47%. So these are all just my trades, and this is the present profit I am having. So don't get influenced by these things. I know when to bear, when to execute, and when to exit, when to enter, how to adjust. This I can bear, but I won't take 33,000 loss at all, or 28,000. This is maximum loss with this strategy. So I can't take this. So somehow I will do adjust. I know the adjustments, and I know how to execute and how to exit the trade. So I won't take 46,000 also. So this is very complicated. This is just to inform you that we are not just doing the videos by the YouTube at all. Many are they are just teachers. So but we are traders. We have been here since 12 years. So we have been trading in stocks and in F&O, in all these sections also. So let's go back to the chart. So this is the Nifty as we discussed. So the same thing it has made. See friends, the same thing it has made. The Nifty has made an left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. The thing is, whatever we expected, the same thing happened, and it is also happening also. So this was the resistance. So it came to fill the gap. So I took the positions here. So again it is going. I told it might be Marbozi candle or bullish Harami candle. So it made the bullish Harami candle. Once it opens above this candle, it will move like anything. Of course, it has done the retest. It has given a good gap filling and also good candle. So it may move up. Then going back to the Bank Nifty. So this is also trading in the consolidation phase. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for kind watching the video. I will make another video later. So thank you.